Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. The form data object provides an easy way to serialize form fields into key value pairs. You can use the new form data constructor to create a new form data object, passing in the form to serialize as an argument. So for example, let's imagine we have a form here that looks like this. So I've got a couple of labels, some inputs, including a hidden one, and then a button to submit. And just as an important aside here, form fields must have a name attribute to be included in the object. Otherwise, they're skipped. The ID property doesn't count. So I've got my form. I'm going to get it in the DOM using the document query selector method. And then I'm going to pass that form element into the new form data constructor. And what I get back out is a form data object. If we jump over to the browser, you can see here is that form data object. And it has a handful of methods attached to it, but it does not have those values immediately accessible. Instead, it has a handful of methods that you can use to access and interact with those key value pairs. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.